God is a thought that makes crooked all that is straight. So wrote Nietzsche, the great iconoclast. But long before him, Spinoza had whispered, God is the immanent cause of all things, not a transcendent ruler. Two minds, one modern, wild, tragic, the other geometric, serene, eternal. One killed God, the other became him. This is Nietzsche versus Spinoza, two gods of the mind. Baruch Spinoza thought like a lens, precise, focused, almost inhuman. He wrote his ethics as if it were geometry, axioms, proofs, inevitability. Nietzsche, by contrast, was a lightning storm. No system, only sparks, aphorisms, bursts of flame. Spinoza trusted logic. Nietzsche trusted instinct. Style. One seeks the eternal beneath appearances. The other dismantles appearances to forge something new. Two architectures of the mind. One coldly ordered, the other gloriously unstable. Spinoza's God does not judge. He does not command. He does not speak. He is the totality of all that exists. Infinite, necessary, eternal. To love this God, Spinoza says, is to love reality itself, to align your mind with the infinite. As he put it, the more we understand particular things, the more we understand God. But Nietzsche saw a corpse, a hollow God, drained by centuries of denial, logic, and shame. God is dead. God remains dead, and we have killed him. He cries in the gay science. This is not celebration. It's diagnosis. We murdered transcendence with reason, the very reason Spinoza perfected. Now we float in the abyss. No divine order, no moral compass. Just a question. What now? For Spinoza, freedom is not rebellion. It is clarity. The more we understand the causes that move us, the more we act, not react. As he writes, a free man thinks of death least of all things, and his wisdom is a meditation not on death, but on life. But Nietzsche would scoff. Understanding is not freedom, it is submission. The will to power, he says, is the will to life. And life is not peaceful. It is struggle. It is creation. The free man, to Nietzsche, is not the one who obeys nature, but the one who surpasses it, who says yes to suffering and makes it sacred. He does not find meaning. He imposes it. Spinoza invites us to see life sub specie eternitatis, under the aspect of eternity, not from the view of desire or fear, but from the cold lens of truth. Blessedness is not the reward of virtue, but virtue itself. That is Spinoza's gospel. In this vision, the self dissolves. We become a mode of the infinite. But Nietzsche answers with a question. What if you had to live this life again and again, forever? The doctrine of eternal recurrence is not metaphysics. It's a test. Would you say yes to your fate, or would you crumble? He challenges us. Become who you are, where Spinoza offers peace through understanding. Nietzsche offers greatness through fire. Spinoza teaches us how to endure. Nietzsche dares us to become. One believes that freedom is knowing we are part of nature. The other believes that freedom is destroying what bound us to nature. For Spinoza, truth is joy. For Nietzsche, truth is war. And yet, both saw through illusion. Both dissolved the masks of religion. Both stood alone, with the mind as their only temple. So who wins? Perhaps neither. Or perhaps it is the mind that wins, in its eternal tension between fire and clarity, freedom and necessity. This is Phi, where minds collide. If this video moved you, like it, share it, and subscribe. And tell us, which God do you follow? The one who burns or the one who sees?